interrupt the baker in her kitchen. She's baking. What are you making, babe?
Banana bread.
She's making banana bread. That's how you make it?
With and without nuts.
With nuts
Some with
and without nuts. Would you buy me a pizza?
No, that was from the other night.
Oh, we're having pizza, folks. Look at that. That's a lot of nuts. People like nuts that much? There you go, folks. You can't interrupt a baker in the kitchen. How long you been baking for? How long have you been a professional baker?
Professional. You go on.
She's a professional baker, folks, right here. If you guys need any baking goods, let the professional baker bake you up some goods. Right, babe?
Sure, why not?
I was out moving tree stacks earlier. Now I'm in watching my wife bake. What's it called again? Cake?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. Banana cake, I was gonna call it. They go into the preheated oven. She got it preheated to 350. Is that what you put it on? 350?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. It's gonna be smelling like real good banana bread baker in here. The dogs are just waiting for some to drop on the floor. Whoa, you oil them right up. You don't want them to stick or something? They don't stick that way? There you go, folks. That's what my day's been like today. Thanks a lot for watching. Next time, come in and see Brenda's kitchen.
Brenda's kitchen.
This is my Brenda. She's kitchen. She's kitchen. She's kitchen. She's baking. Married my Brenda. She's baking. Come on in, folks, and see Brenda's kitchen. Let me know if we should have a YouTube site called Brenda's Kitchen. Cooking with Brenda we could have. Okay, folks. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out. Make sure you make good banana bread, folks.